G'day, welcome to the Off-Grid Shop. Today we're going to be talking about some of our DIY kits. This client is just trying to run a tiny home off this. It's quite a small system. It's a tiny home that's going to be fixed in place. So look, we've sort of gone oversized with a 5 kVA inverter, but in case they want to expand in the future or add more, this is within their budget. So this is just a DC coupled system. We've got our DC charge controller here, which we can take. I think there's about 3 kilowatts of panels going on this system, and we've got 5 kilowatts worth of battery. In the future, they could add more batteries for a start. That's the easiest go. This system with this inverter will be able to run, a kettle or a toaster as well.
Yeah, right.
But you can power a small home with this. So this is the inverter charger. So this takes the power from the battery, turns it into 240, which you use to power your appliances. The charge controller, as we covered earlier, this takes power from the solar panels and uses it to charge the battery. This is our main DC isolator for the battery. So in the event of an emergency, or if you're decommissioning the system for maintenance, once you pull that lever down, the system will be isolated from the battery. This is just our little distribution box. So right now that's just got the circuit breakers for the general purpose outlet here, and also the generator inlet just at the side here. Yep. So up here we have the servo. Everything communicates with the servo, and it displays all the data onto this touch screen here. The servo is also the point of communication with the internet. So if you want to run your online monitoring, everything will talk to this unit here. So this is a buzz bar. So all the battery connections are going to be hooking up to this. And then just before it, in between the buzz bar and the isolator, we have the shunt. And now this is the battery monitor. It monitors how much power is going into and coming out of the battery and gives an accurate percentage state of charge display up here. So this will get shipped to them on a pallet with the batteries, and the customer just requires to stand this unit up as it is now and fix it to the wall at the top and the bottom. The batteries will just be plugged in, the cables are already on there with all the connections required, and then they install the solar on the roof. So most of it is a DIY. Mounting solar panels on the roof isn't the trickiest things, and when you've got a wiring diagram to go along with it, it's pretty simple. The only thing you'll need an electrician for is the connection of the 240 volt power to the house.
So super easy.
Yep, easy as. If you want to have a look at the cost of different size systems, jump on the Off-Grid Shop website, and we've got kits similar to this, or you can go to the smaller solar generators and the likes, but everything's on the products page. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.